As a professional cleaner, not every job is a deep clean, but that doesn't mean it doesn't matter. Today, I'm going to show you how I clean and maintain a bathroom to keep it looking spotless. When it comes to mirrors, I like to keep it simple. I'm using Glass Plus and a microfiber rag because it's streak-free and leaves the mirror nice and clean. I'm using Mr. Clean antibacterial to clean and disinfect the bathroom sink and countertops. As a professional cleaner, I love products that cut through everyday grime quickly without leaving behind a heavy residue. One thing I like about this cleaner is how fresh it leaves the bathroom smelling after cleaning. It works great, polished and refreshed. This is one of those simple cleaning steps that instantly makes the whole bathroom feel cleaner. A shiny sink and a fresh countertops make such a big difference. I always recommend using a clean microfiber cloth because it grabs dirt better and leaves fewer streaks behind. As a professional cleaner, I go through a lot of gloves because they make a huge difference when it comes to hygiene and preventing cross-contamination. I'm tackling this entire shower using two of my favorite cleaning products, Bar Keeper's Friend and the Scrub Mommy. I'm starting with Bar Keeper's Friend because it works amazing on tough buildup and water spots. A little goes a long way, especially on glass and chrome. Then I'm using the Scrub Mommy to work everything into the surface. I love this sponge because it's soft enough not to scratch, but still strong enough to cut through grime fast. Now I'm moving to the tile and walls because soap scum likes to collect everywhere, not just the glass. I always clean from top to bottom so the dirt falls downward instead of re-cleaning areas twice. The combination of these two products makes cleaning showers so much easier, especially on stubborn buildup that regular cleaners struggle with. Now I am rinsing down the shower, making sure all of the bar keeper is off the shower glass doors and inside the shower, so I don't leave any residue behind. I love when clients have shower heads that detach because it makes the job so much easier. I always like to finish by drying the glass. It really gives everything that polished, streak-free look. And yes, my camera made a little appearance in this clip. After I finish cleaning the shower, I like to go in with Rain-X on the glass. This helps repel water and can help slow down soap scum and hard water buildup. It's really a simple extra step, but it helps keep the shower looking cleaner longer. I always clean the shower floor last because all of the dirt and product from the walls usually ends up down here. So this is basically the final reset before everything is finished. And once the floor is done, the whole shower looks completely refreshed. This tub doesn't really get used much, so today I'm mostly just freshening it up, removing any dust and bringing back the shine. I'm using shower clean just to give everything a quick refresh. Sometimes maintenance cleaning is really just about keeping things clean before they ever get bad. And honestly, this tub still looks beautiful once it's all polished up. The last part of the bathroom that I do is the floor. I do vacuum the floor first, but so this video isn't too long, I did that first, and now I am mopping with a flat mop and Mr. Clean antibacterial cleaner so it sanitizes the bathroom floor. This bathroom is officially finished. Everything's been wiped down, polished, and detailed from top to bottom. And even though this wasn't a heavy deep clean, maintenance cleans like this are what helps keep bathrooms looking fresh long term.